Monetization on YouTube easily in 2020. Hey there, friends. We've been talking about using YouTube to do business the easy way by applying monetization strategies that help you to turn viewership into profits from sales driven through the YouTube platform. But let's not forget about channel monetization, the main income strategy offered by YouTube to content creators, which you can leverage to generate an additional income stream from ads that run on the videos that you upload to your channel. How does monetization work? Channel monetization is a revenue-sharing model implemented by YouTube to encourage creators to upload the highest quality content possible to the platform. The more a creator is able to engage viewers and increase watch time, the more money they can make. And it works like this. You follow a series of simple steps to apply for monetization, and once your channel is approved, ads will start running on your videos. Each time a viewer completes watching an ad for a certain period of time, the advertiser pays YouTube for the ad, and you get a cut from that payment. Things to know before enabling monetization. Enabling monetization is a great way to supplement your YouTube business income, but YouTube is going to review your channel before enabling you for monetization. These are some things you need to know in order to prepare your channel for the review process if you want to start earning ad revenue as soon as possible. Create videos that encourage prolonged watch times. This is, videos that are entertaining and that keep the viewer watching until the end. In general, you have to make videos that are between 6 to 25 minutes long, depending on the topic. If you're using stock footage and audio, make sure to have your licenses up to date and to know exactly where you are getting your stock assets from. This will help you avoid duplication claim as reason for non-approval. Your channel needs to have at least 4,000 combined view hours and a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. These numbers aren't difficult to achieve if you produce quality content. It is also necessary to do an SEO audit on your published videos so you can optimize your content for maximum visibility, which will help you reach those numbers more easily. Avoid encouraging viewers to do a sub for sub. YouTube will deny your application if you use sub for sub as an engagement strategy. Instead, call viewers to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Make sure to review all guidelines on the YouTube channel monetization policies document that you'll find at support.google.com/YouTube/answer/1311392. Enabling monetization. All right, folks. Now that you've prepared to apply for monetization, here's what you'll do, step by step. Number 1. Set up an AdSense account if you haven't already. AdSense is the ad revenue share program for publishers and creators, and that's a platform where YouTube will process your payments. You can create an AdSense account at google.com/AdSense/start/. Number 2. Sign in to your YouTube account and channel that you want to monetize. Click on the Profile menu button, and then click on the Creator Studio button. Number 3. Click on the Monetization tab, which you'll find on the left sidebar menu. Number 4. If you're eligible to apply for the monetization program, click on the Start button inside the Review Partner Program Terms card. Then confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. Number 5. Click on the Start button inside the Sign Up for Google AdSense card and sign in to your approved AdSense account. Now, all you have to do is wait for approval, which can take 30 days or less. In that time, keep uploading awesome content and engaging with your audience. What if I'm not approved? There's a certain number of applications that don't get approved for one reason or another, but you don't have to worry. If you're not approved at first, simply examine the reasons the company gives you for non-approval. Take the necessary steps to fix them, and wait for an additional 30 days from the day of non-approval to submit a new application. Once you get approved, celebrate! Post a thank you video and give a shout out to your most active and most engaged viewers, and keep creating awesome videos. YouTube marketing tips to increase sales in 2020. Hey there, everyone! When your objective is to drive sales and generate profits, You have to go above and beyond the strategies that you would normally use to simply increase traffic and boost awareness. And that's where YouTube Business Made Easy comes in. Yet you can't underestimate the power of applying proven YouTube marketing tactics when it comes to increasing your chances of driving more sales simply by pushing the right buttons. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the best YouTube marketing tips that will help you to increase sales in 2020. Create short videos. We have talked about the importance of creating videos that promote lengthier watch times. These are videos that are on average between 6 to 25 minutes long, and the intention is to boost retention. But it so happens that the contrary can work as well, if not better in some instances. That's why it is important to include short videos into your mix. Videos that last less than 2 minutes can generate over 50% of your views, and they're more effective to deliver your message to certain leads at certain stages of your sales funnel. While a single short video won't help you to drive an immediate sale or to show more than one ad, adding several short videos to your channel can help you to increase watch times because more people will be able to watch your videos in short bursts. This will also help you to capture attention and increase consideration of people short on time, such as people at their jobs. These people are more likely to make urgent decisions, and if you create a video series to showcase your products, then you're more likely to drive a sale from those prospects. Brand your channel. The look of your channel has to match your vision and the way that you want your audience to perceive your products. You have to think of your channel as an extension of your overall online presence, or as another page on your business website. This means that every element of your channel has to be customized in a way that is recognizable for people who have visited your other channels, such as your website and your social media profiles. This means that you have to use the same logo that you use on your other channels as your channel icon, to use your header images as your channel cover, and to match the colors and design of cards and CTAs in your channel and videos with the design on your website. Be consistent. A primary marketing strategy is to be consistent with content. This means that you have to publish content at the right time and when your audience expects it. The starting point is to establish a content schedule. You can, for example, study when your viewers are more active, and at what times, and on which days you get the most views, and to publish your videos at those times. You can look at the analytics section of your channel to get this information. You can then plan a content schedule based on those results. For example, if you get peak views and engagements on Tuesdays at 8 p.m., then you have to upload your videos on those days and at that time. You have to also plan the build-up. You can create teasers to post on your other social media channels, and you can set up reminders for your subscribers and followers. Lastly, it is recommended that you automate your content calendar. You can do this by uploading your video when it's done and scheduling the launch for the right time. Use annotations as calls to action and links. YouTube allows you to include annotations in your videos. Annotations are pop-up elements that appear during playtime and that you can use to encourage viewers to take certain actions by clicking on them, such as watching another video, visiting someone else's channel, or visiting a landing page. You can add annotations through the video editor.